A black market is a transaction platform, whether physical or virtual, where goods or services are exchanged illegally. What makes the market black can either be the illegal nature of the goods and services themselves, the illegal nature of the transaction, or both. The legislatures of many countries forbid or restrict the personal ownership of weapons. The black market supplies the demands for weaponry that cannot be obtained legally, or may only be obtained legally after obtaining permits and paying fees. Many people nonetheless continue to use illegal drugs, and a black market exists to supply them. It is not illegal for a person or business to buy fuel, but as with other goods, the tax will generally be payable by the final customer at the physical place of making the purchase. There are some countries where sex toys are illegal, such as Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and India. Black market platforms used to sell sex toys on the black market include consumer-to-consumer online auction websites, as well as private pages on social media websites. From alligators and pythons to lions and bears, rare animals are traded on the black market with huge profits. The market is worth estimated $10 billion worldwide, according to CNBC, and the animals are either sold as exotic pets or butchered for their most valuable parts. Sperm shortages in the UK, Canada and China and more have led to a black market for sperm. And it's dangerous as it sounds, and many other goods and products are sold in black market. Breast milk, human organs, stolen data, prostitution, human trafficking, babies, stolen passport and many others. License-driven black market conditions. The licensing restrictions that governments impose on numerous occupations cause some workers to enter the black market because they don't want or can't afford to invest the time and money to obtain the required licenses. Trade-driven black market conditions. Sometimes participants in black markets don't want to act illegally, but because they lack the ability to work legally and you need to make money, they don't report their jobs or income to the government. Regulations-driven black market conditions. Black markets can also appear when government-imposed price ceilings create shortages. Violence is another problem inherent in black markets. Because these markets are unregulated, participants can't rely on legitimate police protection in the event of theft or other crimes. If a drug dealer's stash of cocaine is stolen by a rival dealer, he can't ask the police to help him get his merchandise back. The dealer might send one of his employees to shoot the thief and reclaim the stolen goods, further compounding the effects of the original crime. Black markets will continue to exist as long as we have regulations and taxes. Laws that prevent people from buying and selling the goods and services they desire, and taxes that prevent people from keeping what they feel is their fair share of earned income will always cause people to hide their activities from law enforcement agencies, tax authorities and other regulators.